Hello everyone, welcome back students for Euroschool online learning. Today, that is on 16th of May, is celebrated as International Day of Living in Peace. I'm sure all of you know what peace means. Peace means all of us living happily together by accepting our differences and respecting our culture and traditions. We all celebrate this day so that everyone in this world lives together with love and happiness. So, today, all of us are going to make a poster on the topic International Day of Living in Peace. So, let's get started. For making this poster, I'm going to teach you how to make the symbol of peace. Then we are going to learn how to draw a dove with the leaf in his beak, which is also a symbol of peace. I am going to teach you how to draw a girl and a boy enjoying their freedom and holding the peace symbol in their hand, and how to write peace in a decorative way to show it in the poster. For drawing the symbol of peace, we'll take a small bowl and with pencil we'll make a round around it. So we get the outer circle. After this, I'm going to draw the inner circle. So we have two circles for this. Then I will draw a line, a standing line in the center of the circle, two lines in the center of the circle, and two lines on the right side and the left side. After you finish the drawing, you are going to nicely outline it with a black sketch pen and give colors of your choice. Now we are going to learn how to draw a dove. Dove is also a symbol of peace. To start drawing it, we are going to first make a small circle. Okay, and then we are going to show the feathers. Once we are done this, we are going to show the body. And its tail. Along with its beak. Don't forget to show the eyes and a leaf inside its beak. After you finish drawing the dove, nicely give a border to it with black sketch pen. You can show clouds around the dove and give green color to the leaves. Now I am going to show you how to draw a girl and a boy holding the symbol of peace. So for that, I am going to draw the peace symbol in the center that we have learned just now, and then draw the face of the boy. draw the clothes and the legs. So we are showing a cute little boy holding the peace symbol and having a balloon of heart in his hand, denoting happiness. Look how happy he is. And on another side, I am going to show a girl holding the peace symbol on other hand and a heart in the other hand. The heart balloons are in the hand and this is the peace symbol in the center. Once you finish the drawing, you can give colors of your choice to the clothes. Also, you can give color of your choice to the symbol of peace. Now, this picture shows how we all can live together happily in peace and respect each other's cultures and traditions. Now, I am going to teach you how to write peace in a decorative way so that you can use it anywhere in your poster. So we are going to use big and bold alphabets P, E, A, C and E. This will help your poster to look beautiful, and we can also use different colors inside every alphabet. You can use beautiful different colors of your choice to express this word peace. So now that we have learned how to draw the different elements that express what peace is, you are going to make a poster on the topic International Day of Living in Peace. For that, you are going to take a A4 sheet of paper and you are going to make a nice border to it. On the top, you are going to write down the topic. To share the art and creativity, you are going to follow the details given in the circular and send it to us. We are eagerly waiting to see your creativity and imagination. Thank you and have a nice day.